great pleasure to welcome you aboard Qatar Airways 914 on our inaugural flight from Doha Hamad International Airport to Adelaide International, South Australia, and our Airbus 350 service. Well, we'll be starting our engines very shortly. We'll be departing from the northern runway. Soon after airborne, we'll be making a right turn setting course. We got a flying time of little under 12 hours and 10 minutes, and we'll be cruising initially at an altitude of 35,000 feet and thereafter climbing up to a final cruising altitude of 41,000 feet. The weather en route is forecasted some clouds and some strong winds, which may cause some bumpy conditions from time to time, which is quite normal for this time of the season, but I do advise you to have your seatbelt fastened right throughout the flight for your own safety. The weather for Adelaide is forecasting some cloudy skies, some winds from the southwest with a temperature of around plus 16 degrees Celsius, with a chance of some light rain for the time of arrival. Our route of flight will be displayed to you on your screens in front of you, and I will have a word with you just before descent with the updated time of arrival and the latest weather into Adelaide. In the meantime, make yourself comfortable and enjoy this flight with us. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to have you with us on this inaugural flight. Thank you.